know what the signs and symptoms are for type 2 diabetes? In this video, I'm going to share with you the signs and symptoms of type 2 diabetes so that you can be better aware. I'm a dietitian who helps people reverse type 2 diabetes, but I'm not a doctor, so a disclaimer, I am not giving any medical advice, but this is to show you the signs and symptoms of type 2 diabetes so that you can be better aware. A lot of times, even when people have type 2 diabetes, there might not be any signs at all. So this is why it's super important for us to do regular checkups. Now, there are many signs and symptoms of type 2 diabetes. One of the most common signs of type 2 diabetes include frequent thirst, and that you're thirsty all the time, frequent urination, you're going to the bathroom all the time, or increased hunger. Now, why is there increased hunger? It is because glucose is not able to get into your cells because of insulin resistance. When that happens, your body is actually really hungry even though there's high blood sugar in your blood. So it is very important for us to deal with insulin resistance. But again, the reason why you may have increased hunger is because the glucose stays in the blood and is not able to get into your cells. Other symptoms may include fatigue, tiredness. Some people who have type 2 diabetes may even experience weight loss. Even though type 2 diabetes may be more common in people who are overweight, weight loss is very common because when it comes to higher blood glucose, it stays in the blood but is not able to get in the cell, and so that's why a lot of times weight loss may happen. Some people may experience vision changes where their vision may become blurry. This may be caused by the change in osmosis caused by the higher levels of glucose, or it may be due to diabetic retinopathy, which is caused by the damage of nerves by a higher blood glucose level. Some people may experience numbing and tingliness in their hands and feet. This is also a sign of diabetic neuropathy. So this is a condition where a high blood glucose level may start damaging your nerve cells. That's why you have the feelings of numbness or tingliness in your hands and feet. Some people may experience higher rate of infections. This may happen because when you have a higher blood glucose level, a lot of the times it's affecting your immune cells function, and that is why you may have a higher frequency of infection as well. And infection in turn also increases your blood sugar because it acts as a stress for your body. Some people may also experience delayed wound healing. That means that when they get hurt, the wound takes longer to heal, and this is also because of the high blood glucose in your body. If you have darkened skin on your neck or in your armpits, that's a sign of insulin resistance or high blood sugar in your blood. It's actually called acanthosis nigricans. This may also happen in children who have a higher blood glucose level as well. So these are the most common signs and symptoms of type 2 diabetes. If you experience any of them, please go to your doctor and have a checkup, because it's really important to nip in the bud and prevent further development of type 2 diabetes. And if you are experiencing these signs and symptoms, I want to encourage you, don't freak out. Type 2 diabetes is definitely reversible. If you're interested in reversing your type 2 diabetes and be able to reverse your prediabetes or insulin resistance, make sure you check out my free training. Link is in the description, and I'll see you guys there.